All right, so we're going to talk a little bit about how to find your resources on MyCMU. If you've kind of gotten a little rusty on that. But anyway, if you go to the Central Methodist website and click on MyCMU, down at the bottom you'll see library resources. Okay, so if you click on that, then you'll see the catalogs and databases list. Remember, since this is an education topic, I started with education full text, but I did some digging around and most of them had some, so you might want to check out Eric. You might want to check out Master File Premier. I saw several from there. Also Academic Search Premier is always good. Okay. I can't get that to show up in the window. Hold on a second. There you go. See, it shows I'm in education full text right now, but just poke around in a couple different databases, you'll have the best kind of look. I did have a couple of search terms that I found really good luck with. One of them was growth mindset. Carol Dweck, which is the author of the study that they cite in the assignment page. Here's one that I found to be a pretty good just general description of growth mindset versus fixed mindset. So that one's kind of good. I also used growth mind. If I could type, that would be wonderful. Growth mindset in the classroom. I found a bunch there. Oh, there we go. Look, 76 sources. Do make sure that you click your limit to button before you search for full text, right? Don't forget that. So there are a lot of these, and if you type in just growth mindset, let me get that back there, growth mindset, look at all these different search terms that come up. So I would just start using some of those, and you should be able to find a lot of different sources. Okay, I hope you're not intimidated by growth mindset versus fixed mindset. You might consider too what kind of mindset you have. Do you believe that you can improve your learning through hard work, or are you just like, I'm stuck at the level I am? So it's something to kind of consider. So hopefully that'll help you find some sources. I would recommend, since this is supposed to be a 4 to 6 page paper, where I would recommend at least 4 sources, and if you want to have more than that, that would be fine. I think honestly this paper will be easier to write with more sources. It'll be a little bit easier to find some varying information. Don't forget to save your articles where you can find them back, because we will need them. So, and don't forget that you'll want to be able to find this detailed record information so that you can cite it, because there's the detailed record, and that gives me all the information on how to cite it. Okay, remember the source and the date and volume, issue, page numbers, all that information that I need. Okay, look, this one has a DOI. Remember, if it doesn't have a DOI, you'll need to save the URL. Okay, and again, I don't care if you're using APA or MLA, just let me know when you share your paper with me for the first time which one you're using, so I know to look for that style specifically. Okay, be sure if you have any questions to let me know. Okay, and I'll be glad to help you out.